In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness. We'll move USDT on the Ethereum network, also known as ERC20, from your Trust Wallet to your Exness crypto wallet. Start by opening Exness on the web or in the app and signing in. From your dashboard, go to the crypto wallet area and locate Tether, specifically the USDT option labeled ERC20. Select it, then choose Deposit. Exness will display your unique ERC20 deposit address. Make sure the network shown is Ethereum or ERC20, because using the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of funds. Copy the address using the copy button and avoid typing it manually. If Exness shows a minimum deposit or notes about fees, keep those in mind before you send. Now switch over to Trust Wallet. On the home screen, search for USDT and pick the one that's on the Ethereum network. If you don't see it, use the search bar and enable the USDT token with the ERC20 label. Open the token page and tap Send. In the recipient field, paste the ERC20 deposit address you just copied from Exness. Double-check the first and last few characters to confirm it matches. Ensure the network for this transfer is Ethereum. Do not select TRC20 or BEP20 for this tutorial. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember that ERC20 transfers require a small amount of ETH in your Trust wallet to cover gas fees, so make sure you have a bit of ETH available before proceeding. Tap to preview the transaction. On this screen, review every detail: the recipient address, the amount of USDT, and the network fee. If you have the option to adjust gas, a slightly higher fee can confirm faster during busy times, but only change it if you're comfortable. When everything looks correct, confirm by tapping Send. Head back to Exness and give the blockchain a few minutes to process the transfer. Confirmation times vary based on network congestion, but you should see the transaction appear as pending in Trust Wallet right away. You can open the transaction details in Trust Wallet to track progress, and when the required confirmations are completed, your USDT will land in your Exness crypto wallet. From there, you can move it into a trading account or use it according to the options provided by Exness. A few quick tips to finish: always match the network exactly, paste addresses rather than typing, and consider a small test transfer when moving larger amounts. That's it, your USDT has been successfully transferred from Trust Wallet to Exness.